There are many other handy, very, very handy keyboard shortcuts that you should know. But first, let's check our system preferences. So let's go to Black Apple System Preferences, and hopefully the keyboard settings has been set with this thing checked. So we want to use F1, F2 as actual function keys. Okay, so back to Pro Tools. These things over here, shuffle, slip, spot, and grid, if you press F1, and I don't mean the F and the 1, I mean the key above the number 1, which has a little F1 in the bottom right corner of it. Okay, that's shuffle. F2 is slip, F3 is spot, F4 is grid mode. So F1, 2, 3, 4 right there. F5 gives you the magnification tool. F6 gives you the trim tool. And F7, which is a very, very common one, F7 will give you the trim, this selection tool, and then F8 hand grabber tool. F9 gives you the scrubber tool, and F10 gives you the pencil tool. The ones you were going to be using a lot are F5, 6, 7, and 8. So with my left hand, I usually have my my pinky on F5. Okay, so notice that for F5, if you press it more than once, it toggles between basically these two. There's normal zoom and single zoom. So boom, boom. Same thing with this one. F6, if you do it a couple times, it goes through different icons here. That's because you have different settings here. All right. Same thing with, I think this one only has one, and this one has a couple of them. So the typical one is uh, normal and standard, and then this one here is on time. Okay.